Festive season is here, so I need some extra love for my skin, and for that, I'm going to do facial today with Organic Harvest Kumkumadi Organic Facial Kit with saffron. Step 1 is cleansing. Cleansing helps unclogging pores and exfoliation of the top cells. Massage it for 2 minutes and rinse it off. Step 2 is scrub. This scrub gently exfoliates your skin, unclog the pores and removes the tan. Step 3 is massage gel. It gives your face a cooling and relaxing therapy. With the organic massage oils, it helps in overall glow and shine on your skin. Apply the gel and massage it for 5 minutes. Step 4 is massage cream. Enriched with the benefits of vitamin C does the wonders on your pigmented and tired skin. Massage it for 10 to 15 minutes and wipe off the excess product. While purchasing kumkumadi facial kit, don't forget to use this code to get Lily Lip Butter worth Rs 199 for free. Step 5 is face masks. This lightweight organic face mask contains the higher concentration of active ingredients such as vitamin C, known for its effectiveness. This face mask often used to manage skin concerns. My skin is all ready for festive season. Don't forget to use code while purchasing. Bye.